Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your AirPods Pro and TV are ready. Place the AirPods in their case, open the lid, and press the small button until the LED flashes white. This puts them in pairing mode. Now use the Samsung remote. Go to Settings, choose Sound, then Sound Output, and open Bluetooth speaker list to make the TV scan. Do this now so the TV can discover the AirPods while the earbuds remain discoverable. Proximity matters for a clean pairing. Once the TV detects AirPods Pro, select them from the Bluetooth speaker list and confirm the on-screen pairing request. After connection, the TV routes audio to the AirPods. Make sure the TV sound output shows your AirPods as active. Adjust the TV volume first, then fine-tune the AirPods with on-ear controls. This prevents clipping or low volume. If audio lags, switch the TV to any game mode or low-latency audio setting when available. Finish by playing a short clip and listening for sync and clarity. Fast dialogue helps reveal lip sync issues. If audio works, close the AirPods case to disconnect, then reopen to confirm reconnection behavior. If pairing fails or you don't see AirPods in the TV list, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED cycles amber then white, and retry. As a key troubleshooting tip, use a dedicated low-latency Bluetooth transmitter plugged into the TV's optical or AUX port for consistent, minimal lag audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.